It's okay. Let's go! Whoa! Away we go! Oh, we're up in the air, bro.
This is cool.
This is awesome. Oh, look how high we're going.
I don't want to get dunked.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they're looking at us like we're freaks. Look at this, man. Oh, this view. Oh my god. What do you think? What do you think, Eddie?
Fun.
Oh my god, we're so high up too.
Holy shit, we're like 900 feet in the air.
Oh,
I think we're max right now.
You think so?
I don't see the rope going like anymore.
Whoa.
I feel like we're going down. We are.
No, we can't already be at the top. Damn. Okay.
No, yeah, we're not on the top.
Oh, we flying. We flying. Oh my god. This view is amazing, bro.
Bro, no, we're going more to the left.
Oh, I can't wait for them to dunk us too.
I don't want to get dunked, bro. Did you see how hard they got dunked, guys?
I know.
He like got dunked his chest. But I got that camera.
I now know what it means to be alive. Oh my god, this is so cool. We're so high up.
Cool, guys.
Oh, dude.
Holy frick.
Wow.
This is my first time being in Hawaii, too.
Yeah, this is both of our first times. It's incredible.
Incredible.
Look at the view down there. Oh my god. I could almost drop this thing.
Don't say that.
Oh, damn. This boat, that's the boat carrying us. If that boat is gone, we gone.
That boat, imagine. I want to go again, bro.
I know. We'd have to like book it again. Whoa! Oh, Jesus, just yanked us.
It just yanked
Oh, just yanked us by.
I just copied this dude. You look at those people though too.
I know.
They're going down.
Oh, this is amazing.
This is like the best thing I've ever seen, bro.
This is so cool.
Maybe not though.
Oh look, Mama and Javi should be over there. See that like edge right there, that island?
Wait, how?
Remember they stayed there so that they could see us. They're at the park. Let's see if they saw us. I mean, we probably can't wave to them, but...
Wait, they went all the way back there. So all the way to a different city?
No, this is the same city.
Yeah, but like farther, a lot farther.
Oh yeah, we're way out at sea.
Like we're...
if
the sharks are in like...
Yeah, if we got lost at sea right now, I could not swim all the way back there.
Me neither, bro.
Whoa, got yanked again. Oh,
We got yanked again.
Oh man. I'm trusting the iron on this thing, the metal on these chains.
I'm trusting the metal block, bruh.
Yeah.
From Minecraft.
Yeah, it's a long fall from here.
Holy frick! Imagine we just click. Ah!
Yeah, then we gone.
I'm trusting these little clips, bro.
Yeah.
These little clips. I'm trusting this rope and this little clips and that rope right there.
Oh damn. Oh, this is so cool.
Down. I think we're going down already.
Yeah, I see it getting closer, I think. Oh, this is awesome. No, we're getting dunked. We're getting dunked hella. Yeah, I don't think I got it fully on the recording, but Isaiah and Caesar got dunked hella.
Yeah, they got dunked to the shirt. I think my dad got dunked to his neck since he's like shorter. No, he got dunked just a little bit higher probably since he was a little bit shorter.
Yeah. I know Isaiah got upset about that. Oh well.
He said the F word, so...
No, I don't think he said the F word.
I think...
Oh, I can hear the music.
Oh yeah.
Boom, da, boom, dum, boom, dum, boom. It's coming up. Dude, but this is awesome. I love that view.
Did you hear that?
This is like one of the best places. Most tropical. I love it.
No. Get us straight!
Nope, we're dunking, man. We're dunking.
We're dunking on the side.
You ready? Oh, let's dunk. Let's dunk. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh. Maybe yanking our chains. Oh. Oh no, man. Oh no, those oh. The spinny? Oh yeah. Oh my god.
That was crazy, guys.
That was awesome.
I saw them.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. I just got yanked hella again. All right, we're on our way back down. I give this a 10 out of 10. This was awesome.
This is like a 100 out of 10.
Dude, this is so sick.
Holy
Oh,
free
and now,
nature.
oh no, way back up. We be curving.
Holy nature! Holy nature! Holy nature!
Whoa. Yeah. Look at those peeps. Whoa.